G'day guys, welcome back. Too many projects, not enough time. I'm Andrew, up here at the lake today. We're getting another project done. So what I've got up here behind me here, you can see our soffit vents. We've cut out in the shapes of, well, animals that are local to us here at the lake, as well as some of them that are local to me back in Australia from where I come from. So it's springtime here now. The snow is melting pretty bad, so it's time that all the critters come back out, including these guys, the bats, and they love living in roofs. So we've got all the soffits on, the soffit vents on this side of the cabin. The other side hasn't got any yet, so we've already got them pre-cut out, all the animals to go on the other side, as far as the animals are cut out. But now what we've got to do is trim the boards which are over height back down to the right height and width to fit in between all the rafters, and then staple on some screen on the inside so that nothing can get up through it, but yet the roof can vent, which is really good, even though we have 5 inches of rigid foam insulation up there already. It's still good to have the wind blow through and keep the heat of the tin off the roof. So let's get them trimmed down and put the vents in the other side. Alright guys, so we got the soffit vents up. We came up too short, so we're going to cut 2 extras and pop them up there as well, and that should keep the bats at bay. Now, I'm probably going to put a little bit of caulk and dish down in the gaps because those bats can fit through some pretty thin spots, and just a thin caulking in the gaps, and I think they look pretty good. What do you think? Leave a message in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll be back tomorrow for another little project here at the lake. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. Get it, Timmy. Get it. Get a bear. Get him.